Clifford at Computer Rescue. I wanted to talk to you today about cloud computing. Some of our customers are a little bit unsure of what it is and whether it benefits them, whether you should use it. So let me explain. Cloud computing simply is the term for you to connect to data somewhere using the internet other than your office. So currently, most customers have a server in their server room. You connect via your network to your data that's housed on your server. Cloud computing takes that server away from you and puts it somewhere else, a data center, into our building, something like that. You still connect to your data via the internet, but you don't have responsibility for the hardware that the data sits on. Examples of cloud computing that you probably use already: Facebook, Hotmail, your online shopping with Sainsbury's, anything like that you physically don't see the server, that's cloud computing. The term cloud computing comes from the network schematics and technical diagrams. When you draw networks, the internet is represented by an image of a cloud. It just means that you're using the internet to connect to your data. Now, where's the benefits to this? Well, the first benefit is that you don't have to buy the big servers that your data sits on. So your initial capital expenditure and upfront costs are not there. Another benefit is you don't have to then look after that data or that hardware either. If your server that your data is on, the hard disk breaks or the board goes, it's not your responsibility. It's not in your office, it's ours. We'll look after that, and you will obviously held by SLAs and uptime and making sure that these things work very quickly. Probably another major benefit of cloud computing is the fact that you pay for what you use. It works very much like another utility, which is the aim. Cloud computing is being pushed forward to become a utility, such as your electricity, your gas, your water, etc., etc. You pay for what you use. Do you care how your electricity is made? Do you care where your electricity is stored? All you care is when you turn your light on, your electricity works. And if it doesn't work, you get onto someone and say, why isn't it working? And they fix it, usually without even having to come to your house. So cloud computing is a good thing. It's still in its infancy. I would say take it slowly, but don't be afraid of it. Everything is going to go cloud-based. The big companies like Microsoft and Apple have already started quite heavily investing in cloud services. Microsoft are giving you software that you don't have to buy on disk anymore. Mac have got the App Store where you just download what you want. That's all cloud computing. Used to be, it wasn't that long ago that you had to go and buy the disk in PC World or wherever you were getting it. Don't have to do that anymore. So do look out for cloud, do embrace it, but don't jump feet first. I wouldn't suggest you put all of your data up there yet. One of the downsides to cloud computing is it's very much held on how quick your internet connection is in your office or in your home. Also, if you're in your office and your broadband goes completely, then that can cause problems if you are total cloud. A lot of customers of ours are doing a solution where there is part cloud and part LAN-based. Benefit to them is that they don't have to buy the bigger servers anymore. They can just get a smaller file share for the important stuff and then utilize the cloud for everything else. So that's the cloud. I'm sure there's a lot more information that I can give you regarding the cloud. We are pushing as a company a lot into the cloud, so you will be hearing from me in due course with new options that we've got to take benefit of using the cloud. But if you've got any questions in the meantime, you know how to get me. Give me an email, just there. Cheers.